Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. And here we have an elevator at the 5555 Supreme Office Center in Madison, Wisconsin. So we got a Northwestern Impulse. This one has a contact locks. Listen. Listen, an older Dover. Nice. Now let's go down to the basement. So this one, so this switch got replaced with a microswitch. So here at the basement. Now let's go up to 2. Looks like the 2 button also has a contact block. Alright, so here we are up at 2. Get some vacuuming up here as well as down at 1. Go into the basement. Ring the bell. Looks like both of the door buttons are also contact blocks. Now let's get a CAD view. It's a pretty basic Dover for an office building. Here's your hall lantern right there. Here's your indicator. Northwestern plaque, 621 Wisconsin. Here's your COP. And here's your phone, non-AA phone. And also watch this. This phone service come back coming loose. Let's go to 1. Got your bumper. Watch it doesn't go up. The 1 button's also a microswitch. I mean a contact lock. So watch this close up. There it goes. And that's going to be it.